Hello, it's Sam here from Rising Sun English School. Hope you're having a nice summer. Today we're going to talk about invitations and suggestions. What that means is talking about making plans with your friends. Alright, so there's a couple of phrases we can use to suggest or invite somebody to something. Okay, so I'm going to start with let's. Let's see a movie. Let's see a movie. Okay? So the person replying can say, sounds great. Okay? If they want to do it. Sounds great. If they don't want to do it, of course they can say no, but that's a bit harsh. This person will think, huh? Wow, I'm so surprised if they say no. So you should do a softener. You can say something like, sorry, I can't tonight. Or you can say, I'd love to. I'd love to, but I'm busy. I'd love to, but I'm busy. Let's add the word tonight. Okay, we're doing it tonight. We can say, why don't we see a movie tonight? Question mark. Now, let's was not a question. This one is a question. Okay? The same answers apply. Sounds great. Sorry I can't. I'd love to. But we have this different phrase at the start. Why don't we? Why don't we see a movie tonight? Now, even though this is using why, this why is not a reason, okay? It's just a set phrase. Why don't we see? Okay, set phrase. Why don't we see a movie tonight? This is a suggestion of a possible plan we can make, something we can do. Why don't we see a movie tonight? Sounds great. Oh, sorry, I can't tonight. I'd love to, but I'm busy. Okay. Let's try another phrase. How about? Okay. Now, how about has a different structure. We don't use see, we use seeing. How about seeing, ing, a movie tonight? How about seeing a movie tonight? Okay, it's another set phrase. It's a suggestion. How about seeing a movie tonight? Sounds great. Sorry, I can't tonight. I'd love to, but I'm busy. Okay. There's another phrase we can use as well. Instead of how about, we can say what about. What about seeing a movie tonight? How about seeing a movie tonight? Now bear in mind, this is all the same meaning. It's all a suggestion to make a plan. Now, what about having a conversation? So we've got sounds great. Then we can do more detail. Sounds great. What time? Sounds great. What time? Then we can do another suggestion. How about 10 p.m.? A bit late, isn't it? Okay, well, how about 10 p.m.? Another response we can do. If this person's saying no, sorry, I'm busy tonight. They can say, why don't we go tomorrow night? Okay, we can add a new suggestion. How about tomorrow night? What about tomorrow night? Why don't we go tomorrow night? Okay, so we can keep the conversation going. Okay, using a range of suggestions and times. If you're free but you don't want to see a movie, you can say, sorry, I don't feel like a movie tonight. I don't feel like a movie tonight. Then this person can make a suggestion. How about how about going out to dinner? Okay, so this person's made a new suggestion. Doesn't want to see a movie. How about going out to dinner? Okay, what about seeing a movie tonight? How about seeing a movie tonight? Let's see a movie tonight. Why don't we see a movie tonight? Okay, these are some phrases we can use. What about seeing a movie tonight? How about seeing a movie tonight? Let's see a movie tonight. Sorry, that's not a question. Not a question. Let's see a movie tonight. Why don't we see a movie tonight? Oh, this is ing. This is not ing. Just regular. Next time you're with your English-speaking friends and you want to make a plan, these are the phrases you can use. Well, that's enough from me. Thank you very much. See you later. Have a good summer.